welcome you to Abhyas Institute of Education. So, after completing the three chapters, the literature part of three chapters, today we are beginning with the literature of chapter 4, La Plaisir de Lire. So, basically, the theme of this chapter is related to the books, the writers, and the domains of different books, and do we like reading or not. So, we have around 20 questions based on this specific theme. So, let's start. In the first question, we will learn the names of some books followed by their writers, which means les livres et ses écrivains. So first one is La Petite Prince. It was written by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Then moving forward to the next book, we have a poem La Livière et la Tortue, which was written by Jean de La Fontaine. Next poem, Le Renaud et les Raisins. It was written by Jean de La Fontaine again. So, Jean de La Fontaine, l'écrivain, has written two books, Le Livre et la Tortue, and second is Le Renaud et les Raisins. Now, moving forward to the third book, we have Le Tour du Monde en 80 jours. It was written by Jules Verne. So, in total, we have four things to remember: two poems and two books. Now coming to the second question, we have to talk about some formalities which are necessary to have the library card. So the question is, quelles sont les formalités pour avoir une carte de lecture? So we have three main points. Une pièce d'identité, which means one should have an identity card. Second, une autorisation des parents, which means the authorization, the signature of parents. And third, une quittance d'électricité ou de loyer. We have to show the papers, the bill of our rent or probably our electricity. Now, moving forward to the third question, pourquoi va-t-on à la bibliothèque? Why one goes to the library? Very simple answer. On va à la bibliothèque pour emprunter les livres. Emprunter means borrow. Les romans, les bandes dessinées, etc. We can buy the books, we can buy the comic books, etc. On peut les emporter chez soi. Chez soi means at our place. Et aussi lire et écouter sur la place. We can listen to the books, audiobooks, we can read the books at the library, or we can bring them at our place. Now, question number 4, very important. Que savez-vous du Panchtantra? Qui l'a écrit? What do you understand by Panchtantra? Who wrote it? C'est une collection de contes et de fables sanskrit. Conte means stories and fable means tales. This was written in the language of Sanskrit. En 5 livres. We have 5 books in total. Le savant Vishnu Sharma a réuni le Panchtantra au 5e siècle. They have mentioned the era and they have written le savant. Le savant means the one who knows everything, okay, the clever. Now, question number 5. Qui était Perrault? Perrault était un écrivain français du 12e siècle. Il a écrit Le Petit Chaperon Rouge et Cendrillon. So Perrault is a very famous writer, a French writer, okay, of the era mentioned in the answer. Il a écrit, he wrote the book Le Petit Chapeau Rouge et le Cendrillon. Again, we have done in the first question some writers and some books, but along with other questions, we have to make another list of all the writers and of all the books. We might get questions of MCQs, of fill-ups, true or false related to this in our board exam. Question number 7. Qu'est-ce qu'une fable et un conte? We have discussed this in the question of Panchtantra, but as a definition it is c'est un récit allegorique d'où l'on tire une moralité. Basically, it's a story with a hidden meaning, okay, with something which has a message. And conte means c'est un récit court d'aventure imaginaire, a story which has a lot of adventures. Adventures here means ups and downs. Question number 7. Qu'est-ce que c'est une bande dessinée? Bande dessinée, also known as short form BD, est une succession d'images. Succession d'images organisées means It's a kind of a book with a lot of images showing a story. Pour raconter une histoire, to show a story, to tell a story avec les textes sous l'image, with the text, with the message written below the image. A quoi sert une carte de lecture? Sert means servi, to service. What does a library card serve? Que on peut emprunter à la bibliothèque? It's the same question with the same meaning, just a different formation. Avec une carte de lecteur, on peut emprunter chez soi des livres, des disques, des cassettes et des dispositifs de la bibliothèque. Dispositif means photographic slides. The livre means books. The disc means CDs. The cassette means cassette, audio cassettes. So very simple question but an important one. Coming forward to the next one. Qui a créé le festival d'Avignon? Very simple question. We just have to remember one name, Jean Villers. Quelle rubrique aimes-tu lire? Pourquoi? Rubric means the domain. So answer may vary from person to person. J'aime lire dash parce que you like to read this book dash parce que, because you can specify your reason. To write this answer, I have mentioned an example below. For example, j'aime lire le sport parce que j'aime cricket. I like reading books on sport because I like cricket. Very simple question. You can write the answer in your own format. Coming to the next question, nommez the journaux français et indien. We have to name newspapers French and Indian. For Francais, we have Le Monde, Le Figaro, and for Andean, it's Times of India and Hindustan Times. Now, in the next question, we will talk about the National Library of India and France. So, on Inde, it is at Kolkata, it's in Kolkata, and in France, it's at Paris. Question number 17, nommez quelques écrivains français and Indian. We have to tell the names of the writer, Indian and Français. For Français, we have Charles Perrault, Jean de La Fontaine, Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, and for Andean, it's Chetan Bhagat, R.K. Narayan, and Vishnu Sharma. You just have to learn the names of the writer. We might come across such questions in fill-ups and match the following. Que fait un journaliste pendant un sondage? What does a journalist do during an interview? Le journaliste visite des maisons d'édition, il rencontre des éditeurs et rédacteurs, il pose des questions et l'opinion publique et il prend l'entretien. So basically, maison d'édition, where we get all these things printed, il rencontre, he meets the editors and the directors. Il pose the question, he asks the questions and the public opinion on a topic, and then they take the interview. Now the last question, which again the answer may vary from person to person. Aimez-vous lire quel type de livre ou roman? You like reading or you like to read which type of book? These was preferences. Tell your preference. For this I have framed an answer. You might frame another answer. Oui, j'aime lire. Yes, I like reading. J'aime lire les romans policiers. Policier means something related to crime or detective. So this is answer according to me. You can obviously write an answer whichever type of book you prefer to read. So these were some important questions from chapter number 4. Stay tuned to the channel for more such videos. Till then, keep studying. A bientôt.